Hey guys, just pick up a new machine, maybe a Banshee, a Blaster, ATC 200X, 250R, a 350X, maybe a 400EX, or a Quadrilla 500. Guess what? I offer harnesses for these machines and many others. Come over to southtexasbanshee.com and see if I've got a harness for your machine. You have the option for mil-spec braid, heat shrink, as well as complete labeling end to end. I also offer repair pigtails, conversion adapters, and connectors for these and many other machines as well. I can build you a stock replacement or a one-off custom that only you will have. So come over to southtexasbanshee.com and see what I've got. Hope to see you there. Should you guys have any trouble navigating my site, grab my phone number off the top of the page and shoot me a text.